Only make an offer on a house after all of the research has been done into the market value. So check on your recent neighborhood sales, evaluate any improvements made to the property, research all the upcoming assessments, and see all of the competing homes for sale. Then go to Relativity.com to see how many days the home has been on the market. After you decide what you're willing to pay for the home, you're going to send a written offer. Your agent will draw it up on a standardized Florida Bar approved contract, and it'll include all the contingencies and dates up front. Now, be sure that you understand the entire contract and all of your obligations in it before you sign. Then, the seller has some options. They can either accept, reject, or counter your offer. Now, if they counter your offer, you're going to have the option to do the same. And when both parties come to a full agreement, you'll sign off on all terms and you're going to have a working contract effective the last day of the last signature is completed and the contract's returned to all the parties. Now keep an eye on that effective date. It's going to set the clock for you to work through all the contingencies, protecting your money and getting you safely to closing. If you'd like some help, you can download the offer checklist in the link below to make sure you cover all the negotiation points. And remember, the best real estate information can always be found on Relativity.com, the site for intelligent real estate.